Alright friends, I'm back at you. The forge is off. And it's time for the moment of truth. Over here I've got my hold fast that I just forged in that borderline useless Achaya Angel crystal hole. I got a little flat stock of mild steel, and I have my hot cut I forged out of some coil springs. Let's see if it works, huh? Get these out of the way. Get my hammer ready. Lift up the stock. Put that foot down on the workpiece. Oh. It works. Hell yeah, we got a working tool. I'm happy with that. There's some adjustments I'd like to make on the next one, and that was a learning experience. Slinger out.